Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a quick September lineup. If you're new to my channel, I'm Ivy and I'm gonna start right away. I have this small planner, which is my daily pocket agenda. This usually stays within my purse. It usually travels with me everywhere, and I just basically keep track of all my appointments, and it's a very basic planner. I know some people like to use their phone, but I like to see it. I like to write it out, and I like to be able to see what I have to do. And I like to be able to open it up and see all my appointments listed. So I always keep it with me. It's a simple planner, but I really like it because it's something that I always use. And if I had to rate this planner, I give it 4 stars because basically it's very handy and it does what it has to do. My next planner, it's my 2020 HP Mini. So this planner right now, it's not completely set up. I've been taking some time to set up, but I did make the covers. I used to have a cloth and paper clear plastic cover, which I really love, but I wanted to use this 2020 cover, which I designed, and I just prefer to have a basic solid cover. So basically this book, what it does is that it helps me track my agenda. I keep a monthly planner, a section for fitness, nutrition, projects, dreams, and notes. And I am still working on putting this one together, but I still do use it, and I definitely use the agenda, and I definitely use the tracking. And if I had to rate this planner, I would give it 2.5 stars just because it's not complete. If it were complete, it would be definitely a 5 star. It's just that I haven't been working too much on this because I've been so busy with my work and just producing a lot of content. So I'm gonna move on to the next planner. So my next planner is my A5 daily agenda. This planner is actually a work in progress. I am actually in the process of designing all the pages, and I'm probably gonna have them printed out. But for right now, I'm not using it because I'm definitely in the process of just putting it together. I really like the A5 size, and I like the format that I'm using. It's just that I want to have it 100% complete. I don't even have the right cover. This is a makeshift cover, but I love this size and I'm looking forward to it. And if I have a question, if any of you know of a really nice A5 leather cover, let me know in the comment section. I've tried getting one from MOTERM, but it didn't fit. So if any of you know of a really nice cover for the disc bound agenda in A5 size, please let me know. I would appreciate it. So right now this has a 2-star rating just because I'm not really using it. Once I use it, I think it's going to be 5 stars, but like I said, I'm not using it. It's still being set up. I don't even know if I should rate it, but I'm looking forward to using this. My next planner here is my learning planner. This planner is the one I use to learn my languages that I'm trying to learn. Before I was learning Italian, so this is how I basically use it to learn. And my new goal is to learn a different language for each quarter. So we're gonna start a brand new quarter in about a week or 2, and I'm planning to try to start learning Portuguese. And I'm also going to plan to learn other languages, and I want to put some notes for other things that I'm learning. And this usually again stays on my desk or near my nightstand when I'm learning something. And this I would give it a 4 to 4.5 star rating because I definitely use it. I love it. The only thing I need to do is put dividers in it, and otherwise I'm really happy with this planner. I love to learn an emoji notebook. I like to color code in here. It allows me to do a lot of the things I want to, but I haven't been using it as much as I want to, though this month I was able to take a little bit more notes, and hopefully next month I'll have some notes in Portuguese and some other notes that I plan to take. So this month I want to introduce this brand new notebook. This here is a composition disc bound notebook. This notebook I designed myself. I just took silver discs and I made a cover, and then I basically added some paper to this. And this notebook is kind of like my catch-all notebook. Right now it's like what I'm not putting into the HP Mini and what I'm not putting into my A5, I'm putting here. It's very sloppy. It's also replacing my journaling. I'm just putting everything here. I'm really contemplating on a one planner system because planning out of different planners is a little bit complex, though I don't mind. I do like to have different planners, but right now this is letting me kind of get organized and really put my thoughts out, and it allows me to get a lot done because I'm not really thinking about, oh, I have to be neat. It's I just write on dot matrix paper, and if not, I write on blank paper. I'm able to get a lot done here because I'm not thinking about having to be neat, how neat I am. I'm not having to think about what pen I use, and basically I'm very happy with this. I just started using this recently, and I might just stay with this, and I might just add a lot of different pages. So I don't think I'll get rid of my HP Mini because I really love my HP Mini. I really do a lot of my work from here, so it might just be these two items, and of course my learning notebook, so I might just keep it to this. I am trying to simplify my process, and I'm actually liking where I'm at now. I like what this affords me, being able to just quickly write notes. It's nice and big. It's the size of a composition notebook, so it's pretty big. This is actually the complete size of a composition notebook, and then the papers inside is about 1/2 inch less. So I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy. I'm really excited for all the plans I have. I'm putting them in here. For some reason, it's just really resonating with me, working out of this notebook. So I am really going to plan to use this. So I'm just going to do just a quick summary of all the items I am using. Right now I have 5 planners. This one I carry with me. I really like it. The other ones also as well. I might downsize a little bit more, but I'm actually very happy with where I'm at. I'm happy with how they look visually. Of course, they were all designed by me because not that there's not anything out there that I really don't like. It's just I wanted to use what I had. And also I like being creative. So this here is my September lineup. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I hope to have another episode of this next month. So I'm actually like this process because it allows me to stay accountable for what I'm doing. And I actually like this. So I hope to see you next week. I have a lot of new content coming. I know I took a bit of a break, but I just wanted to rethink my channel and just rethink a couple of things. So I look forward to seeing you again. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye.